Okie dokie kids, let's get started. So we're just gonna jump right in with the oil pastels and we're just gonna start drawing circles. So remember, you need to use warm colors. So we're gonna use red, orange, yellow, and then we'll use green at the end. So you need to choose either red, orange, or yellow to draw a couple of big spiral circles. And then you need to choose one of the other colors to do the petals on your big circles. So I chose red for the middle and then orange for the petals. And then now I'm using my orange to draw smaller spirals around, and I'm gonna use yellow for those petals. We wanna fill our whole page up with beautiful warm flowers. Now I'm gonna use my yellow for the middle of a flower, and then I'll use red for the petals. And just keep doing this until you have flowers all over your paper. You could also use pink for some petals or the darker yellow that you have, but we want to keep our colors warm. So red, orange, yellow, pink, gold. Once you have your whole paper full of flowers, then we're going to dip into our temper cakes, and we're still using our warm colors. So we're still going to use red, orange, yellow, but we're going to also use our purple. So purple can be either warm or cool, just depending on how much red or blue is mixed in with it. So dip into your temper cakes and paint all of your beautiful flowers. I am going to try to use different colors in the outline. So in my orange petals, I'm going to paint them with the yellow paint. And then maybe with my red, I'll do orange. And then my yellow, I'll do purple. Just let the paint take you where you want to go. So all of the flowers should be painted fully, and then the background we'll do in green. All right, so once you have all of your beautiful flowers painted, we're gonna dip into our green and we're gonna paint all of the extra white space that we have. So those spaces are too small to put a flower, but they're too big to leave white. So we're just gonna paint all the way around our flowers with green so it looks like our flowers are growing in a beautiful green grass field. Be intentional with your brush. Go slow. Make sure you get every single spot. And then admire your beautiful, fabulous work of art.